Here are the features, advantages, and disadvantages of the QUBO Smart Door Lock Essential. Key features: 6-way unlocking, fingerprint, Pincode, RFID card, Bluetooth mobile app, mechanical key, and OTP access. Smart door lock with advanced security features. Fingerprint recognition for secure biometric access. Pincode entry for convenient access. RFID card compatibility for easy entry. Bluetooth mobile app for remote access and control. Mechanical key for traditional access. OTP, one-time password, access for secure guest entry. 1-year brand warranty. Available in black color. Advantages: advanced 6-way unlocking system for enhanced security and convenience. Fingerprint recognition for secure biometric access. Easy to install and use. Remote access and control through Bluetooth mobile app, secure OTP access for guest entry. Durable and long-lasting with 1-year warranty. Sleek and modern design. Disadvantages: may require technical expertise for installation. Battery life may vary depending on usage. Some users may find the fingerprint recognition slow or inaccurate. No Wi-Fi connectivity for remote access, only Bluetooth. Limited compatibility with certain door types or sizes. Customer support may be limited. Reviews: great product with advanced security features. Easy to install and use. Fingerprint recognition works well. Remote access through app is convenient. Good value for the price. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting.